Hi guys! Gagawa tayo today ng kale quinoa salad with sweet potatoes, beetroots, and carrots. So meron na akong naka-slice dito na carrots, beets, and sweet potato. You just have to cut into bite size. And then, ang gagawin natin dito is i-air fryer natin, i-roast natin ang ating potatoes, carrots, and the beetroots. Quinoa is cooked. It's perfect. Now we are going to make our homemade dressings. So dito meron akong half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 whole lime juice, and then mag-add tayo ng 2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Let's add Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon. Then honey, about 3 tablespoons. Salt and ground black pepper. Let's put the cover. Shake it. Shake it, shake it. So, ito na yung homemade dressings natin for our salad. Oops. Wow. Sarap. So, ilalagay na natin ang ating kale. Sliced cucumber. Our sliced tomatoes. Red onions. Sweet potato and carrots. And also the beets. Then, ang ating chopped almond. Then, mag-add tayo ng pumpkin seeds and walnuts. Then, of course, hindi mawawala ang ating tricolor quinoa. On the side. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's add our dressings. Now, we are going to mix it. Ang sarap.